This bike costs between $3 and $3.5 million. This is a MotoGP superbike, and here's why it costs that much. These bikes go upwards of 220 miles per hour and are driven by the most skilled riders on the planet. One of my favorite features on this bike is the baby wing. And this bike is so expensive due to the quality of materials used. Put it this way, this bike is designed with one thing in mind: speed. And to maximize your speed, you're going to maximize your resources into weight reduction, power, aerodynamics, etc., such as the mini wing. So that's why